Yo guys, it's your boy Paul Quartz back again with another video after like a 4-year hiatus, 3-year hiatus. I don't know, it's been way too long. I missed you guys, but I'm back again. My new house, new recipes, and today we're gonna cook one of the best recipes I know. Let's get right into it. Yo guys, it's your boy Paul Quartz back again with another video. Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. We're gonna be making curry chicken. Curry chicken is Jamaican dish that my parents taught me, and it's spicy, curry, and hot. Well, we already sliced up the onions and the 6 garlic cloves. Now I'm gonna wash this chicken and get right back to you. Alright, my aunt from Canada's coming over, so I have to make sure it tastes really good. So first we have the curry powder. Gonna open it. Oh, it's time to open it. Oh, it is open.
Boy.
Oh, no, it's not.
Double boy.
That was inside. Made a little bit of a mess. Just put it until it feels right. You have salt. Not my food, nicely salted. Onion powder. Garlic powder.
Let's feel it. Let's try it, feel it.
Black pepper. And that's it. Alright, so now that we season our food, we just mix all the seasonings together. Get it nice and fully covered. Wanna come over and look, Sanjay? I mean... Alright, that's good. You can cut now. Alright, let's get to cooking. First, let's turn up the heat to about, I don't know, 8. Put some oil. Let my food nice and oily. I'm joking. So while that heats up, let's start dusting up the potatoes. The potatoes add a nice crunch. Alright, so let's cut it in half, like this. Come on, Sanjay. Like in half, and then 30. So I'm gonna do that for the other 5 potatoes, and I'll be right back. Alright, let's take a short break while the fire's getting hot and get some time for the curry. This is my mom's garden. Follow her at myfarmerpat.com or something. Backyard Farmer Pat. So, it's a little bit of time. Cut. Oops. Not too much. That's good, right? There. Let's go. Oh, I think I hear the oil sparkling. I think it means it's ready. First, before we add our chicken, we're gonna put in our onions and garlic that we diced up earlier.
Hey, wait a minute. The frog's not been diced.
Let's put them in there. Oh, let's mix it. I like my onions kind of big, so I can bite into them. I'm an onion guy, you know.
Well, he is. Oh, he's an onion.
So saute goes about light brown. Alright, I can see the onions are browning a bit. I can smell the aroma. It smells delicious. I just want to eat it right now, but have to wait for the chicken. So I'm just using tongs. Put this skin side down. It's not a big pot, so I'll have to just make it thick. It might not be perfectly golden brown, but it'll cook. Let's do this. I took about 8 pieces. Oh yeah, it looks. making more room. Oh, yep. Need one more. Alright, perfect. So let this cook for a bit and then add some water later on. Thanks. Alright guys, while we're waiting, I put in a pot of rice. It's boiling now, so I'm gonna turn it off. Put the timer for 20 minutes approximately. Or just leave it. You don't really need to set a timer, just leave it.
The fire quickly consumes the house in Elkton, Maryland.
Get out of the house! It's on fire!
A bystander.
Oh, let's check the chicken. Still kind of pink, so let's eat. Joking. Joking. All right. Alright, so the chicken has browned. Basically, it's been crispier. The reason why I brown my chicken before boiling it is because when food's browned, it just unlocks more flavor and it tastes better. Gonna add about 2 cups of water, or 1 cup. Just to cover the chicken, not to like make a soup or anything. Just gonna pour it in. Yo, just enough to cover it. A little bit more. Slightly, like barely. And then cover it. Make it boil, and then when it boils, put it down to a simmer for about 30 minutes. Alright, the timer for about 20 minutes for the curry chicken just went off. So, gonna add potatoes now. Lots of potatoes. Love potatoes in my curry. Maybe it's too much, so maybe I'll add, like, not all of it. Now I'm just gonna mix it in. I just want to eat it right now. I just want to do it again. It smells so good. It smells really good. Just mixing it in. Getting it deep in the curry. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more water. I mixed some water with some of the remaining seasoning. Just go a little bit more. Since some evaporated while it was boiling. Just gonna put it in. Alright. Put it down to a boil, and when it boils, put it down to simmer and set the timer for 20 minutes.
Huh? What the? What? Stop this! What? Stop, please! Stop! Please! I understand. Huh? Huh? But wait a minute. This guy's kind of good. Yeah, he's kind of good. Whoa!
Hey guys, thanks for watching that video. If you actually made the recipe, comment below. Tell me how it turned out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in 3 more years. I'm joking, guys. Peace.